forward again. Trial number 8. Short delay, tyre change on Minya, or a tyre cart change you could say. As we have 9 Mile Cruiser, barrier number 1 this time. Next door in 2 is I'm A Goin' Modern, very cleverly named, after its mother and father's names put together. Kai Valley Kiri coming up in 3, another one of the trotters is set. Minya, Red Rustler, Downton Miss, green light. Away they go. Beginning best out in the centre of the line was Kai Valley Kiri. It's pushing forward, and Anthony Button there, well clear here. Down past the Jones, leading out comfortably by 8 to 10 metres. I'm A Goin' Modern gets through to be a clear second as 9 Mile Cruiser trots through to be third. Red Rustler onto its back in turn. Back to second last is Minya, and it's got company as Downtown Miss drops back towards the tail. As the field string out in front the leader is Kai Valley Kiri, and takes it into the back straight, leading comfortably. Leads out by 8 to 10 metres. Settling into second position is I'm A Goin' Modern. As they head towards a mile, 3 back markers in third is 9 Mile Cruiser. Behind it then to Red Rustler, then Minya, and still last is Downtown Miss, giving the leader a very tight start of probably nearly 30 metres now, as the field do string out towards a 1400 metre marker. The leader picking him up and putting him down strongly. It is Kai Valley Kiri. She's making every post a winning post, leading out by 10 metres. Holding down second at the moment is I'm A Goin' Modern. 3 back markers, third 9 Mile Cruiser. Tracked up by Red Rustler, second last is Minya. Pace is fairly strong. Last is Downtown Miss, and still a fair way from this leader. Kai Valley Kiri running him down the front straight. Leads out by 8 metres. The only horse whose legs tied together, I'm A Goin' Modern, trying to go with it in second. That pair at 10 metres third, 9 Mile Cruiser. Then Red Rustler, Minya, and still last Downtown Miss. Now starting to make a move from last. Out of the straight they run. The leader still travels well. Kai Valley Kiri. A few of these are off the bit. Past the 800 metre marker. Kai Valley Kiri's gone further ahead. I'm A Goin' Modern can do no more in second spot. Third is 9 Mile Cruiser. Then a break back to the rest of them. Red Rustler from Downtown Miss, still a long way from him. And Minya is last. 600 metres to go. Can the leader keep going? Kai Valley Kiri. She has a good break. 20 metres now. Trying hard, I'm A Goin' Modern. Here comes a cavalry out wide. Red Rustler. Downtown Miss is 3 deep. Then running up behind him, Minya. And out to the tail, 9 Mile Cruiser. But they've got 400 to go. Kai Valley Kiri still has a big break. Downtown Miss trying hard in second. Galloping in the second half of the field is Minya there. Red Rustler up to third. They still can't get to Kai Valley Kiri though. Top of the straight. She sets sail for home with a big lead. Downtown Miss gave her a too big a start. She's trying hard in second. Red Rustler whacks away, but Kai Valley Kiri is going to pull away for a big win. Getting a little bit leg weary near the line, but too good. Scores by 20. Second Red Rustler, third in Downtown Miss, then 9 Mile Cruiser. I'm A Goin' Modern got very, very tired to run home. It's ran second last, and Minya, after getting that flat tyre and replacing the car, is pulled up last and has failed to complete the course.